Welcome to part 2 of this tutorial series on evaluating the results of your Google Scholar searches. In part 1 of this series, we looked at what your Google Scholar search results mean, how to use the cite function, and how to access items from your search results. In this video, we focus on carrying out advanced Google Scholar searches, accessing author profiles, and interpreting citation statistics. Now, let's look at simple ways to focus a Google Scholar search by increasing relevance. Using quotation marks in Google Scholar allows you to search for complete phrases. I will demonstrate what your search looks like both without and with quotation marks. Let's do a search for distance education using no quotation marks. This search has generated nearly 5 million results. This is because Google Scholar is searching for distance and education as individual words, found separately anywhere in the document. When I add quotation marks, the number of results drops to just under 400,000 results, because Google Scholar is now looking for this as an exact phrase. There are two ways to search for an exact phrase in Google Scholar. I'll show you the second way to do so in a moment. You can also add limiters to your results depending on the kinds of items you're looking for. You can limit your results to items published only after a certain date or during a set range of dates. For example, you can search only for articles published after 2010, or only for articles published between 2010 and 2012 using the Custom Range option. Let's move on now to advanced searches. To use the advanced search option, click on the hamburger menu on the left, then click on Advanced Search. As you can see, this is a second way that you can search by exact phrase. You can also use the Advanced Search to search by specific keywords and to exclude certain keywords. You may want to be careful when you exclude keywords, as you might miss out on useful results. You can choose to search for keywords within the title of the article or anywhere within the article. You can also search by author name, journal title, and date range. One of the most useful things about Google Scholar is that you can use it to see how many times an article has been cited by other authors. Let's look at critical inquiry in a text-based environment. In this example, this article has been cited over 4,200 times. This can mean that the article is highly influential in its academic discipline. Remember, however, that Google Scholar only notes how many times articles have been cited in other articles that are indexed in Google Scholar. An article that has cited this article but has not been indexed in Google Scholar itself will not be included in these citation statistics. Using the Cited By link will give you a results list showing all of these publications. You can sometimes find out more information about an author by viewing their profile. If the author has a Google Scholar profile, their name will be underlined. Follow the hyperlink to view the profile. Out of the 3 authors here, only one has chosen to set up a Google Scholar profile page. We can see the author's publications which are tracked through Google Scholar, the number of times he has been cited, all of the citations of his work in recent years, and his co-authors. While there are no benchmarked numbers of citations for determining the significance of a publication, over 4,200 is a great deal of citations. The author profile provides links to other citations that may be related to your research, as well as to additional author profiles that you may want to investigate.